Welcome back to another video. I've got an airbag light on. Oh, yeah, I've got an airbag light. Christ, that fan sounds horrific. There's more than just that on at the minute. I don't even know if you can see it. No, you can't. Airbag light. When I start, it stays on. Obviously, because of this. So, I thought I'll show you how to delete it, because these can be a bit of a prick. These are the easiest way of doing it, with these fused resistors. Basically, you get different ohmic values. I have no clue what that one is. I think that one came with the Momo kit, but doesn't work. Couldn't find this one last time, so I opted for the easy option and bought just a pack of resistors and jammed them in there. Now I can't remember what one I've got in there. I think it's 2.7, but we'll find out in a minute. But I'm gonna take all this apart and then go from there. I don't think I've got to take the steering wheel off, so I'm gonna leave it on for a minute. Knowing my luck, I will have to, but I'm pretty sure you can just do it from the connector underneath. But let's get that off. Is this gonna be a prick? Oh, bar on one side. There we go. Oh, take the wheel off. Disconnect these bad boys. All saying that, I don't think I've got to do that. I can't remember. Oh. Oh, look at that. Problem is I can't unplug that because the fucking... There we go. That was easy. Now, let's have a butcher's. I think my so this is what I've done last time, which it was out. So I'm assuming what's happened is it's disconnected and thrown up the fault. Now that is, don't know how well you can see that. Orange, orange, gold, gold. Should we look at the packet? Get them out. Orange, orange, gold, gold is 3.3 ohms. That was it. That's why they didn't use them last time. I remember. So, obviously, for this to delete the light, you have to basically emulate an airbag being there, which they have a resistance because they're a coil. And then when you get into a crash, voltage is sent down it. That then causes a chemical reaction which fills the bag with nitrogen. Boom, done. Maths, science even, fucking hell, not maths. Yeah, so these fused resistors even, aren't gonna cut it. But by the looks of it, this resistor had just slipped out. So what I might need, we'll get that back in there somehow. Although I could probably de-pin that, that might be better. No, they don't want to come out. Fuck it. I'll put them back in there. Realistically, what I would like to do is put a bit of sticky shit. Right, I'll tell you what, that's a bit mash up. We'll get a fresh boil. Ooh, what size are they? 1.8, 3.3. I'll do that. Get a pair of cutters. So trim that down so it's equal legs. And we'll go again. I mean, in a perfect world, what I would have done, deepened it, soldered a bit on there, just to keep it in place. That should work. I'll put a bit of tape around it. Well, before I do that, I'll tell you what we'll do. We needed one of these bad boys. It's a BMW fucking airbag reset tool. You can, on the old OBD plug that they come with, there's 2 pins. I believe it's 19 and 3. Now you've got to short them out, but you've got to short it out for 5 seconds, then disconnect the short for 5 seconds, then short it again for 5 seconds. So if you make a little tool like on a switch on a bit of wire, that's the easiest way of doing it. But it's not a given that it'll work, so it can be a bit of a fuck around. So the easiest way is to buy one of these off Amazon for, I think I paid 30 quid, not even that. And then you plug it in, you click enter, says yeah, there's a code, click enter again, deletes it, done. So let's do that quick. Please don't set all my airbags off. Boom. Ignition needs to be on, doesn't it? I've got a Carly reader, and you don't need to turn the ignition on for that. Right, there you go. Oh, okay. Boom. Look at that. Airbag light is off. What a beauty. Turn the ignition back on. Get some state of the art electrical tape. It's a bit of a fucking bodge up, but you can't see it, so it doesn't matter. I also want to see if I can lower the fucking steering column, which I think is them 2 bolts here either side, because I'm a big boy and I need to put space on it. I want to lower it down 5mm, just because the rake angle would be a little bit more. Just clip that back in. Right, steering wheel. Now, I need to get a new squib because this one's really squeaky, quite annoying. But I don't care. Get that roughly lined up where it needs to be. Boom. Plug that back in there. Now, I know there's a torque setting for these, so I'm going to do a couple of ugga-duggers. I ain't going anywhere. She be mint, brother. Right, now. This is a pain in the arse bit. It's getting these fucking things in. Again, I should have probably put these on first before doing the steering wheel. But, alas, I did not. Oh, clip, clip. Really annoying fucking squid. How's that look? Nice and square? Airbag light's gone off. Yep, horn works. Sorry neighbours. Done. Right. There you are. Nice quick easy video. 3.3 ohm resistor is what you need for an E34. It's probably different on every BMW and Volkswagen, Audi, fucking everything. Probably dependent on age, the lot. But if you own an old BMW and you do this, buy one of these. It's 10 times easier. Comes with an adapter. So if you've already got an OBD2 reader, the adapter you can use anyway. So quids in. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.